What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So here we have an update on the 1964 Corvette Stingray by MPC. What we did so far is apply the mirror finish around the window trim on the front side and also a little bit on the side and on the back. And one tip I would add to this is we also used a Chrom pen as well to fill in some of the inside. The one I used in this situation was the Chrom silver marker by Display. I know Molotov also has, their own. Those are also great as well. So what ended up happening is when you layer out the trim all around on the outside, you're left with the inside being exposed, pretty much the color of the car, the way I painted it. And here I'll switch up this angle to give you guys an example of what I'm talking about. And I want to point this out. So like right here, when you're looking at the car sideways, you see that I applied the mirror finish all around on this side. But then as I turn it, you get close, you start to see the blue right there, right? So for this situation, I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to overdo it. It's more the front, like right here. You start looking at the front. You'll notice I have the trim. I laid it on top. And then right below it, all this section was exposed. You can see the blue. So that's where the Chrom silver marker came in the picture and helped me out with that. So pretty much I put down the mirror finish, and whatever was exposed, I was holding the model, and I went in and got the marker, and I started basically just touching it up all inside right there. So this way we have full coverage on the top with the trim, and then inside we kind of sneak in, the other, the marker. So for the back side, we kind of did the same. The back is what dictated that move, because when I layered this chrome trim all around, I'm doing it on the outskirts of it, all on the molding on the sides. But then as this model was sitting here, the top portion, you could already see it from up top, the body of the color of the body, and if I was going to have glass, it was just going to look kind of odd that there is that transition from the chrome to the color of the body and then the glass, and I wanted to cover that up. So this way, once the glass is in there, it just looks more uniformed. And no matter from what angle you see it, you're going to see at least some of the chrome. And I mean, it's a model car. I'm sure the real car had a different probably setup. They could have been maybe instead of chrome, it's black on the inside, like a rubber seal. It could be a lot of various things, But this car here, I'm going more for the show car kind of vibe, restoring it and all that. And that's kind of what I ended up doing. And we also did the front grille. I just realized that right now when I flipped it around. Check it out. So that's the front grille right there. We stripped it yesterday. Here, we probably get a better focus like this. We stripped it yesterday, and we went ahead and applied the finish. It's a little hard to see, with the lights just beaming down on it. But I did lay this down. I got one of the Tamiya Q-tips, the craft cotton Q-tips, and I started just, rubbing it on. This way it fills in all the little, vents right there. So it's all set. And I'm not going to go any further. I'm pretty much just going to leave it like this. So this way, whatever I did with the chrome marker, it dries and it settles. Tomorrow I'll assess how I like it, because once it dries, if I'm not really feeling it the way it looks, I might just apply a second layer of mirror finish, but from the inside, that trim, I try to save myself some time by going this route with the marker, you know. So we'll see what's up. But I have a feeling it's gonna be fine. I don't think I'm gonna have to, do it. But if I have to, it's all right. It's just gonna take some more time, right there. And the rest of the model, I'll continue working on that later. And earlier today, it was such a fun day. We had the guys that came out from Hawaii Model Car Mafia. They were out here. They came to visit me here at the HQ. Shout outs also to Luis LXC Model Cars. He was here visiting as well. They've been in town this whole week leading up to the show that we got coming up on Sunday, the SoCal Open. And it was just fun. Overall, I went live with them. We showed off all our models that we had right here. And they gave us some information regarding their builds, details about their builds, and all this cool stuff. That stream is already on the YouTube channel. So if you have not seen it yet, you just pretty much got to go and look for it there on the live section, and you'll see that video right there. So shout outs to the guys. They came out and it was just cool. They brought some of their models with them and they got to share them and we got to see them here. So we had a lot of fun. We were on there for maybe like 2.5 hours, So, I later got busy in the day and, towards later in the day, I started to kind of unwind and chill. And then I was like, you know what? There's a little bit of fuel in the tank. Let's just go ahead and take advantage of the time and let's go ahead and knock this out and let's lay down the mirror finish on the build. The car also got polished yesterday. So yesterday I already went ahead and took out the scratches and I brought it back to the shine and just, got rid of whatever debris, anything that needed to go away. It's all gone now. So that's also another thing that we did to it. So, we're getting there. We're getting close to the finish line. And, tomorrow, once I see everything, if I have to move forward, then we're going to go ahead and apply the glass. We'll already have that in there. And then I'll start gluing some of the other parts right there. And then, during this time, I'm still brainstorming as far as what's going to be my next move regarding the wheels. So that's the next one right there. But yeah, we're going to still continue on and, just tune in for the next video to see what we do next, what updates we do with the car and others. But, Sunday, guys, if you guys are planning on hitting up a model car show this Sunday, SoCal Open, it's going down in the city of Chatsworth. It's going to be a lot of fun and hope to see you there. Come through. All right, guys, have a good one. Thank you for watching. Peace.